we'll guide you through how to adjust DaVinci Resolve project settings. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and load the project you want to adjust. Once your project is open, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, select Project Settings. This will open up a window with a variety of options you can tweak. You'll see different tabs like Master Settings, Image Scaling, Color Management, and more. In Master Settings, you can change your timeline resolution, frame rate, and playback frame rate. This is crucial if your footage doesn't match the project's default settings. Make sure to set these according to the specifications of your source footage for optimal results. Next, you can go to Image Scaling to adjust how images are scaled within the project. This can be especially useful if you're working with mixed resolution footage. If you're dealing with color grading, head over to Color Management to set your color science and space. This ensures your footage is displayed accurately on different devices. Make sure to explore other settings like Fairlight for audio configurations and Deliver for output settings. Remember, these settings will affect how your project is displayed and exported, so take your time to adjust them carefully. Once you've made all your changes, click Save at the bottom right to apply them to your project. Now, your project settings are tailored to your needs, ensuring a smoother editing process and better output quality. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.